Ron Ballard has a question. He
Okay.
says, recommendations on type and depth of attic insulation, bat versus blown, cellulose
Yes.
versus fiberglass.
Yes. Okay. So, energy code is R38, which is 10 to 12 inches of either fiberglass, cellulose, or blown in. All are very cost effective, and yes, it does help energy. But I'm just a little upset with fiberglass because it's an inferior product compared to foam insulation. So I'm going to give you a quick analogy. Would you buy a cell phone that had a battery and a bag?
What do you mean?
Would
Battery and a bag?
You remember the old cell phones that had batteries
oh,
and
gosh,
bags?
I can't remember. Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Would you buy that cell phone today?
But that is what we're buying when we buy
That's the difference
fiberglass.
of foam insulation and fiberglass. Yes, it serves a purpose. Is foam more expensive? But it's just that's how much better a product it is. So that's a great question, Ron. I would look into the cost difference between foam insulation and fiberglass. It's going to be about double the cost, maybe a little more, but your payback is in 3 to 5 years. So anything after that, you're putting money in your pocket. And most people don't realize energy will increase in cost, so they keep looking at their bill. So it's like miles per gallon. You want to know how much you're paying per kilowatt or per therm versus just looking at your bill and going, I didn't save enough money. When your energy costs increase, when you foam, you use less energy, and sometimes your bill doesn't go down as much, but it's because per gallon it costs more.
Right.
Like when gas went to $4 per gallon versus $2.50. So do the research or just give us a call, or any foam insulation company, you don't have to call me, can give you this data that is basically, if you're a young family and you're going to be in your house for 15 years, you can pay for your children's education on your energy savings. So we'll say if you saved $150 a month and you put that in a mutual fund for 15 years, you'll pay for your kids' college.
Yeah.
And there's nothing more green than reducing your energy consumption, because when we turn our air conditioning to produce this electricity, it burns coal. So if we could stop our electricity consumption by using foam insulation, it's a benefit. Money savings, comfortable, and yes, it's green.
I love how passionate you get when you talk about energy savings.
It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.